Originally, this hospital was built somewhere else. This was made in 1984 with the help of Leisure. What this hospital had done is basically it saved the life of more than 200,000, and it also saved people from deformed and disabled. It also saved people from losing dignity. It's a daunting task because leprosy is a poor people's disease. A disease connected to the social stigma is very complicated because then it becomes compounded with poverty, mental health, and a lot of things there. In 1981, people used to go to Calcutta, and there's only one place called Titagarh where the leprosy people are treated. Husband and wife traveled to Calcutta for the Titagarh, and then wife fell down to the track of the railway, and the railway ran over, and she died there. So Mother Teresa learned this incident, and then she said, let's have a similar hospital or similar health treatment center in Bihar so they don't have to travel to Calcutta. She sent Father Christodas to establish a hospital over here. Now, hospital is providing OPD, outpatient services, which in fact has saved more than thousands of lives of being deformed.
I also suffering with a leprosy family. My father was a deformed leprosy patient. So many leprosy patients come only for medicine, but sometimes some patients became deformed with hand and feet and ulcer. I think 3 to 4% of patients are deformed. Who has a little ulcer and some deformities, we advise them and teach them how to cure themselves. I am living in Little Flower. When I came here, I have nothing. This time I have my wife and 2 children.
I came here in 1984. So from that day onwards, I was in charge of the hospital. Baba put me. Our leprosy colonies, all the families and the children, we have to take care of all their medical needs. That is in the general treatment for all of them. I would like to tell you regarding our staff, they work very hard. Our staffs are from this village, and many of them are the patients. They were early patients, leprosy patients, and Baba wanted to have a job for them. The future plan is that we are expecting a doctor to come, and we need a lab and a physiotherapy center, and as well as we have a planning to get an eye hospital in the future.
I'm really grateful to the donors associated with the Leisure who have done a wonderful thing. This is a wonderful gift they ever could do. So to bring that hope back, to bring that confidence back, support is always needed like this. Leisure has been doing that, and I hope this work has not finished.